The order you do certain tasks is very important. For example, you cannot retire money from your bank without inserting first your credit card or your bank card. The same thing happens while doing math operations. They have certain ordering you must follow. For example, example 1. If you have 10 plus 25 divided by 5, you might be thinking that the answer for this is 7 because 10 plus 25 is 35 divided by 5 is 7. But there is a little problem. In this exercise, we first need to divide. The first step in this exercise is to divide. 25 divided by 5, which is 5. Then we need to add 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And this is the answer for this exercise. While doing those exercise, first you need to see if you have any parentheses. If you have any parentheses, you need to simplify everything is inside of the parentheses. Now, you need to find if you have any exponents. After doing the exponents, you have any, from left to right, you need to see if you have any multiplication or division. If the multiplication comes first, you need to do the multiplication. If the division comes first from left to right, you need to do the division. After doing the multiplication or the division, it comes the addition or the subtraction. From left to right, you need to know which one comes first and do it first. If the addition comes first, you should do the addition, or if the subtraction comes first, you should do the subtraction. So the first thing is parentheses, exponent, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. Now, a new scenario. If you have 28 minus 16 times 2 plus 27 divided by 3. First, here we don't have any parentheses, so we should do the next step. The next one is exponents. And here we don't have any exponents. After exponent, it comes multiplication or division. From left to right, the first one that comes is multiplication. So we're going to do the multiplication first. 28 negative 16 times 2 is negative 32. We write everything as it is. Then the next step after multiplication is division. From left to right, you see if you have any division, and here we have one division. 27 divided by 3. So we're going to do the division. We write everything. Now 27 divided by 3 is positive 9, plus 9. After division, we have addition or subtraction. Depend on which one comes first. And from left to right, the first one is the subtraction. 28 minus 32. 28 minus 32 is negative 4. And after subtraction, it comes addition. From left to right, addition. Negative 4 plus 9 is positive 5. And this is the result of this scenario. Let's see another example. 100 minus 24 plus 3 in parentheses minus 4 squared plus 15 times 3. So the first step we must do is always parentheses. So we have 100 minus parentheses 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is positive 27. Positive 27. Now we write everything as it is. The next step is do the exponents. Here we have one exponent, 4 to the second power. So 100 minus 27. Notice that the negative sign is not inside of the exponent. So the only number that is inside of the exponent is the 4. So we keep the negative, and 4 squared is 16 plus 15 times 2 times 3, sorry. Then we need to do multiplication or division, depend on the order. So from left to right, we see if we have any multiplication, and we have one multiplication over here. So we're going to do that multiplication. So 100 minus, we can go ahead and take out this parenthesis, 27 minus 16, now plus 15 times 3. 15 times 3 is positive 45. Now the next step is subtraction or addition from left to right. First we have one subtraction over here. 100 minus 27 is 73. 73 minus 16 plus 45. Then we should do this subtraction. 73 minus 16 is 57. 57 plus 45. And lastly, we need to do the addition. 57 plus 45 is equal to 102. And this is the final result. Remember, while doing those exercises, you need to look from left to right and do the parentheses first. The parentheses always come first. After doing the parentheses and simplifying everything is inside of the parentheses, you should do the exponents. If you have done the exponent, or if you don't have any exponent, it comes the multiplication or the division. From left to right, you should do the one that comes first. If the multiplication comes first, you do the multiplication. If the division comes first from left to right, you do the division. And the same thing happens with the addition and the subtraction. If the addition comes first, you do the addition, or if the subtraction comes first, you do the subtraction.